Welcome back. We've got breaking developments coming in right after the father of the trainee doctor who was brutally raped and murdered at Kolkata's RG Kar Medical College and Hospital alleged that his daughter's body was cremated in a rush. Even though there were other bodies at the crematorium, Times Now has now managed to track the crematorium staff. And there are some sensational revelations that the staff has made that is going to set the agenda when it comes to this allegation that has been leveled by the victim's family. Remember, there have been multiple versions of these allegations coming out, but the latest one was made by none other than the victim's father himself. He had said that the cremation was hurried, and we have managed to track down the crematorium staff. Listen in to what they have to say.
Check.
From the opposition side, from the BJP side, there is a serious allegation which has been leveled against the Trinamool Congress government and the state police. Now the BJP levels the allegation that while the body of the RG Kar victim came for crematorium, now the police hurried that the body should be cremated first, where there were other dead bodies which were in the line. To talk more on this, I'm being joined by the manager of the crematorium where the body of the deceased was cremated. दादा आपसे पूछूंगा, पहले तो आपका नाम बताइए।
रनाथ पत्रो।
दादा ये बताइए कि जब ये बॉडी आई थी, यहाँ पे लड़की की बॉडी आई थी, तब क्या माहौल था? कितने पुलिस वाले थे साथ?
बहुत सारे थे, वीआईपी भी थे, गाड़ी भी थे, 2-3 बॉडी भी थे, बॉडी के आदमी भी थे। बहुत कंजेस्टेड हो गया था एरिया, तो पुलिस हमको पहले ही आके जानकारी दी थी जे हम लोग को बॉडी आएगा। हमको मालूम है, टीवी में सारा दिन ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ चल रहा है, तो बोला जो हो सकते तो इसको जो डिकम्पोज होने का चांस है। हमने हाँ तो होगा, जो जैसे सचराचर होता है कि पोस्टमार्टम बॉडी 6-7 बजे के अंदर आ जाते हैं, लेकिन 12 बजे हो गया। लेकिन कानून व्यवस्था के लिए भी ठीक नहीं था, इतना कंजेस्ट पूरा आदमी भर गया था, इसलिए बोला जो जल्दी हो सकते। तो हम उसका माता पिता भी हमको कुछ नहीं बोला जे नहीं 2 बॉडी के पहले 2 बॉडी के बाद ही हमको हमारी लड़की को जलाया जाए, ऐसे कुछ नहीं बोला है। हम लोग सहानुभूति के चलते हम बोला, वो लोग बोला जो हो सकते तो पहले कर दीजिए। तो हम जो बॉडी थे उसको बोले है जो हम लोग को मोहल्ले का लड़की है, तो मान लिया जो ठीक है, डॉक्टर भी था, ऐसे दुर्घटना हुआ था, छोड़ दो, पहले लाइन में दे दो। तो सब लोग का अभी भी मान लिया, और ऐसे हम लोग सहानुभूति के चलते हम लोग बोले जो छोड़ दो, तो हो गया।
और ये पुलिस ने आपको कितने घंटे पहले बोला? जब बॉडी आ गई थी तब आपसे रिक्वेस्ट किया या उससे पहले ही पुलिस ने आके रिक्वेस्ट?
पहले 1 घंटा आगे पुलिस आ गए थे इधर। पुलिस आके हमको जानकारी दी, हम लोग को एक लड़की ऐसे हुआ। हम लोग तो बोले हैं आपको मालूम ही है, तो बोले जो आएगा तो थोड़ा देखिएगा, थोड़ा जल्दी हो सकते थे। हम लोग ठीक है।
और कितनी बॉडी दादा पहले थी?
2
उनके तरफ से कोई
असुविधा नहीं हुआ था, उस मान लिया था। हम लोग जब रजिस्ट्री किया तो बोले थे जो ऐसा एक लड़की है, बोला हाँ सब कोई को मालूम है, तो आगे हो तो दे दीजिए।
पुलिस ने ये कहा था कि बॉडी डिकम्पोज हो सकती है, इसीलिए जल्दी।
हाँ तो हो सकता है, क्योंकि सवेरे के मारा हुआ है 12 बजे, तो ऐसे तो डिकम्पोज होने का तो चांस ही होगा ही।
और दादा कोई वीआईपी आया था, कोई लोकल नेता?
लोकल हम लोग को वीआईपी एमएलए सर भी थे, काउंसलर भी थे।
और बॉडी आप देखे थे सर?
नहीं, बॉडी हम जैसे देखते नहीं है, हम लोग तो ऑफिस में लिखा पड़ेगा, मशीन के काम देखते हैं। तो बॉडी तो ऐसे देखते देखते हम लोग को हैबिचुएट हो गया था, हैबिचुएट हुआ है, हम लोग को ऐसे देखते नहीं है। हर दिन तो बॉडी ही देखते हैं, इसीलिए हम लोग को उतना ये नहीं जो बॉडी देखने के लिए।
और जो पुलिस के तरफ से आपको कहा गया था कि थोड़ा जल्दी करने के लिए, ऐसा कोई ज्यादा था कि पुलिस बहुत ज्यादा कह रही थी कि जल्दी कीजिए जल्दी?
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, एक बारी रिक्वेस्ट किया, एक बारी।
So there you go, the manager of the crematorium center who's speaking to Times Now. He says that the police in fact came an hour before the body reached the crematorium center and requested that there are chances that the body could decompose, and so that the body should be cremated before there were other bodies that was in the queue, and as per him, the parents also did not have any sort of objection to it. With video journalist
Sensational revelations there, and corroborating what victim's father has been saying, Madhav, that the cremation was indeed done in a hurry. But the argument that the manager gave was that the cops told him that the body is going to decompose. Tell us whether this argument and this rationale is believable or not.
Well, there are a number of concerns, and there are concerns of the parents, and in this particular case, when the victim's parents have made this kind of a claim, all those concerned, including even the High Court, has taken cognizance of it, and certainly are matters that need to be probed. But now, for the first time, there is very clear evidence in form of what really is being stated here by the manager of the crematorium, where he's very clearly citing that not just did the police want to hurry them as far as the cremation is concerned, that there were other bodies there, and they said that this has to be a cremation done on priority, but also the fact that even the close family members were not present when that cremation took place, and in fact the mother reached only at the time of the immersion of ashes. These are very, very sensational and very, very important claims, because this does raise a question as to what is it that the Kolkata police wanted in terms of a hurry. What was the hurry in terms of actually getting that cremation done? There is a very serious question that is being raised today by the doctors of RG Kar and otherwise as to whether a second autopsy should not have been performed, and whether there was an attempt at avoiding that deliberately. How did the body get transported is a question that many have asked, and what really was happening, who sanctioned it, is certainly a very important question, because the management of the hospital itself is something over which there have been several questions that have been raised over the past week since this story has first come out in the public domain. So very, very serious questions, and this is a question that the Kolkata police will have to now answer, because it is in fact the managers of the crematorium who've come out, who've said very clearly that the Kolkata police was in a hurry. What explains this hurry? Will the Kolkata police have an answer? That's what we have to watch out for.
All right. Sabyasachi, multiple questions they're being raised by what the manager said there. But he also says that while the cremation was rushed, the parents, Mata Pita is the term he used, mother and father, had no objection to it. Then yesterday, the father came out and said that the last rites were performed in a rush, even though there were other bodies. What explains that?
Well, absolutely. See, serious questions are being raised at the conduct of the West Bengal police. Now, we spoke to the manager of the cremation ground as well as the other workers. Now, the manager says that police, in fact, reached the crematorium ground an hour before the parents had reached. And in fact, without the presence of the parents, in fact, police had asked the manager that whether they can cremate the body first, because there were other dead bodies which were in the queue. Now, the police, in fact, told the manager that there is a chances that the body would start to get decomposed, and that is the reason why they wanted the body to be cremated first. Now, the worker of the crematorium ground had made a shocking revelation, stating that when the cremation of the body was done, at that particular time, the mother was not present over there. In fact, the mother came when the ashes were given in the Ganga. At that time, the mother had reached the spot. So this is one of the serious allegations which has come across by one of the staff at the crematorium ground, stating that police was in a hurry, stating jaldi karo, jaldi karo. So this was the response coming in from the staff of the crematorium ground. And this particular allegation is what the father of the victim has also raised, stating that the West Bengal police was in a hurry to cremate the dead body of the victim. In fact, they have also raised question on why there was a hurry to conduct the postmortem as well.
All right, Sabya, stay on with me. We've now joined by Sukanta Majumdar. Sir, now Times Now has managed to track the staff of that crematorium where the family alleges the last rites were performed, and that too in a rush. However, the manager says that the cops told him that it is because the body would decompose. Do you believe in this argument?
No, see, from the beginning, we were saying that, especially from the BJP, because after meeting the family personally, I got the information from the family that the police was in a hurry, as well as police was not allowing anyone to observe the situation of the dead body. And they were especially the administration, they were some kind of pressure. They were keeping the pressure. They were putting the pressure on the parents of that victim that they have to cremate the body as early as possible. So it has been from this news, the manager of the cremation center, it has been now proved that it was a true thing, and it was done by the police. As again another round of because we are thinking to go to move to the court, and another round of postmortem could not take place. That was their motto, and they are trying to cover up the whole thing. And for that, they were pressurized the manager of cremation center to cremate the body as early as possible.
All right, thank you, Mr. Majumdar, for joining us. We, in fact, spoke to another staff from the same crematorium, and he is the one who puts it on a record. The cops came. They told us to hurry up.
I have with me one of the person who works at the crematorium ground where the body of the RG Kar victim was cremated. Now we'll speak to him. Dada, apna naam ta ke bolun?
বিশ্বজিৎ দাস।
আপনি কি এখানে কাজ করেন?
আমি এখানে চাকরি করি।
যখন ডেড বডিটা এসেছিল তখন কি পরিস্থিতি ছিল?
পরিস্থিতি ছিল মানে কি যা অবস্থা, পুরো খামচা ফামচা, তারপর কান নেই, এইসব হয়েছে। তারপর
body has marks of scratches.
তার বাড়ির লোক এসছে, পরে এসছে, পুলিশ বলছে বডির তাতে জলদি করো জলদি করো জলদি করো।
The family members arrived late.
এটাই বলেছে।
Police was saying jaldi karo jaldi karo.
পরিবারের লোকেরা ছিল কি?
পরিবারের লোকরা তখন
That was the police said.
ওই তোমার বডি ঢোকানোর পরে তখন কি অস্থিটাকে গঙ্গা বিসর্জন করেছে।
মানে যখন ভিতরে নিয়ে গেছে তখন মা ছিল না।
When the mother came, the ashes were being given to Ganga.
হয়ে যখন হয়ে গেছে গঙ্গা বিসর্জন করে দিয়েছে।
মানে শেষ
When the cremation was done, mother was not there.
11টা পর্যন্ত কথা বলেছে।
আর পুলিশ কতক্ষণ আগে এসেছে?
তার ধরুন 15-20 মিনিট আগে এসে গেছে। এই হচ্ছে ব্যাপার, কি বলবো আপনাকে।
পুলিশ কি সময় দিয়েছে আপনাদের না আগে যে ডেড বডিগুলো ছিল?
An hour before with the dead body.
যদি ক্যাজেলার জন্য এই জন্যই বলা।
Sabyasachi, put in context the chronology. Now, the family has been alleging that they were made to wait for 3 to 3.5 hours even before they could see the face of their child. What we are gathering from the two testimonies you've got is that the cops entered the crematorium even before the body had arrived there, and then the father came, but the mother came only later. What explains this delay in informing the family? And then, is there a process for taking permission of both the parents before conducting the last rites?
Well, see, definitely, there are certain rituals that the family members had to conduct before performing the last rite. And this particular allegation has been coming in from the family side that earlier, when the deceased body was at the RG Kar hospital, the police, in fact, for almost 3 to 3.5 hours did not allow the mother to see the face of her daughter. In fact, the mother on record on Times Now had stated that she in fact had to touch the feet of the Kolkata police to make her see the face of her daughter. Now, at this particular time, the parents has been alleging that the cremation was done in a hurry by the Kolkata police. Now, we have spoken to both the manager as well as the staff who have been working at the crematorium center. Now, the staff with whom we were speaking, he says that police came and said that jaldi karo, jaldi karo. In fact, the police came an hour before the dead body arrived, and the police in fact told that this body had to be cremated first. Now, what the staff has been alleging is that at the time when the cremation was taking place, the mother of the victim was not there. The mother of the victim reached at the time when the ashes were given to Ganga. Also, what the staff alleges that the family members, the other family members of the victim, in fact, reached late over there. It was the police which had reached earlier at the crematorium center.
Do we have any explanation coming in from the family side after this, Sabyasachi? Because the manager that you spoke to said that the parents did not have any objection to cops actually bringing forth the last rites of the girl, even though there were two other bodies there.
Well, right now the parents have not said on what the manager of the cremation ground has stated that the parents did not have any objection. Meanwhile, both father and mother of the victim has been leveling serious allegation against the state police. First, the allegation that they were leveling is that regarding the postmortem, that the postmortem was done in a hurry And secondly, they say that the cremation was done in a hurry by the state police. They did not wait for the parents. So these are the allegations which are coming in from the parent side, though the version that is coming in from the manager of the cremation center, that the parents did not have any objection. The father or mother of the deceased are yet to respond to these statements.
All right, stay on with me, Sabyasachi. This is a sensational testimony that you have got. In fact, two of them from the crematorium. They corroborate what the family has been alleging, that the cops were in a rush, the last rites were performed in a rush. Was it done deliberately? Was it an attempt at a cover-up or trying to destroy evidence if there was any? Those answers have to be answered. Those questions have to be answered, I'm sorry, but